Jalan mah kalau nggak boleh jalan ya. Foto-foto ni yang saya tu katakan lu nak dah salah.
Dia tinggal dengan adik. Saya dah pulang untuk lain dah. Kat pintu ni.
Sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days are never end, yeah. No, our days are never end, yeah. No.
Kita kan satu hari ni dah. Iya. Siap ya, iya.
Ito katang boleh berapa kilo tu kak? 5 kilo. Sampai. Biar awak ambil kak. Kami dah ikut hidup 6 kali sampai ada okey.
Tenaga baru dah sebelum.
I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. past and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joey ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Và đứng lên chắc đi túi là tụi nó một đôi tay của tôi rồi. Minta je dengan kau kita. Memang dia betul dah boleh. Adi, ini mau jalan je. Ini nak do ni. Dah titik nak do titik dah. Kenapa nak do ni? Kau no di sini ni buat.
I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me, I take action working, writing down these words, no, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something, I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone, no, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Mode-mode Tony gelak dulu kalau tak tahu apa video tu kan. Mari apa itu tentang
bẻ đi cầm. Vậy. Sudah. Terima kasih. Sama orang.
Jalan rumah bapak itu jalan ya.